Hey guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and a special thanks to Terry for giving me permission to send you guys this video. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy with bug season kicking off and things like that. I just wanted to show you some tips and tricks on how to become more relevant online, okay? So there are three things that we're going to talk about today. The first thing is going to be content. Secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks, and then lastly, we're going to talk about citations. If you don't know what any of those things are, no worries. I'm going to break it all down for you, okay? Now, first and foremost, as I was kind of scrolling through your website before we got started, I did see that it was really easy to just kind of navigate. Super simple. I did see that whoever created the website really took the time and to pay attention to detail, and I really appreciate that, right? But unfortunately, Google doesn't really care how a website looks, or honestly if it's easy to navigate at all, right? All they care about is content. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to highlight all the words here on your page. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put it here in my word counter. Okay, let's copy and paste here. You have 396 words on your home page. Now, a dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words on their on the landing page, right? Which is the home page of a website. Has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words, okay? It also needs to have relevant keywords. It looks like you're lacking here just slightly. Even if you just wanted to go over that 1,000 mark, that would help your visibility and allow Google to find you guys even better, right? So now relevant keywords related to your niche or what you guys do would be pest control Abilene, right? Or pest control Abilene, Texas, pest control services Abilene, Texas. Those are just some examples of some keywords that you guys can use to put in your content or in your 1,000 words, right? You would just put those in and around the paragraphs or just in the content alone, right? And that would help you guys. It would boost your visibility and allow Google to find you guys even easier. Okay, so that's my first tip. Secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks. And what I went on ahead and did is I put your website, your URL here in my tool. Now, this tool is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs kind of allows me to see what's going on in the background of your website, how many people are viewing your website on average per month. And now this tool is a paid tool. Obviously, I am in the industry, but there are other free tools out there that you can use that are completely free, right? So all you would have to search for is like keyword researcher for free or backlink checker for free, and you could basically see what I'm seeing here, okay? Now, according to my tool here, you have 13 referring domains and 30 backlinks. Now, referring domains are just other websites that are pushing traffic to your website, and it looks like you have 13 of those. And backlinks are just the number of times that they're doing so. So out of these 13 websites, they're pushing traffic to your website 30 different times, okay? Now, you have 30 people on average visiting your website per month, bringing you a total of $146 in traffic value. Now, I went on ahead and did the same thing for your competitors, okay, which is Bug Blasters out of Abilene. They have 26 referring domains and 146 backlinks, okay? So 26 times that these websites, or excuse me, there are 26 websites that are pushing traffic to his website, and they're doing so 146 times. So there's a big difference here. And as you can see here, they have 153 people visiting their website per month, bringing them a total of $825 worth of traffic value. So as you can see there's a lot of money that you guys are leaving on the table by letting your competitors outrank you on Google, okay? And this is a big deal, obviously, right? Because they're getting more calls, they're getting more of the clients, and they're landing more jobs, and they're able to, increase their inflow of customers just by receiving more calls. So that's definitely something that I would recommend that you guys look into. Right? So unfortunately, guys, though, I should mention that not all backlinks are created equal, okay? Google knows that you guys are not a restaurant, right? It knows that you're not an Arby's. They know that you're a pest control company. So with that being said, they want to see other pest control companies or blogs or forums that are pushing traffic to you. It builds trust according to Google. It builds power, right? So that you can become easily visible, and Google can find your website faster, especially if your website answers the question that someone is asking, right? Like as I said earlier, pest control Abilene if that is on your website, bam, Google will pull your website up first. So that's something to think about, okay? Now, lastly, what I want to talk to you guys about is citations. Now, citations are just anywhere that your business name, address, phone number, and sometimes even website could be found in a directory, okay? Now, a directory is anything like Yelp. You've got Yellow Pages, White Pages, Home Advisor. You've even got Angie's List, right? So those are just a few, just to name off the top of my head. Those are directories. Now, if you were to put your business in those directories there, that would build your citation list. And this is how you get up here in the map pack, okay? Now, if I'm being completely honest with you, this is where all the money is, right? This is where most people go to find what they're looking for. Most people don't scroll down here to the bottom page, going through the 4th or 5th page of Google to find what they want. Usually, this map pack answers their question. This map pack usually tells them like, hey, these guys are trustworthy. This is where you want to go, right? So this is where you want to be, right? If you want to scale your business, if you want to increase the number of calls that you're getting, this is where you want to be, right? This is where you're most visible. So with that being said, there are two options, right, that you can take from here, right? So the first thing, or the first option you have is to take all of this information, do the research for the backlinks, do the research for the citations, ensuring that you're getting all of those that your competitors are getting. The good thing about this, okay, before I move on, is that if those citations and those backlinks are good enough to rank your competitors like bug blasters over here, then they're good enough to rank you, right? So you would just take those backlinks and those citations and stack them onto yours, and you could easily take this #1 spot, okay? Now, you could do all that yourself, right? Increase the content to 1,000 words, at least on your homepage. If you're looking to outsource help, right? This is option 2. If you're looking to outsource help in any way, you could definitely reach out to me and I could see what I can do to help you, okay? Or if you just needed guidance on what the next step is, right? Moving forward, you can reach out to me and I can see what I can do to help you. Again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Terry, I really appreciate the permission that you gave me to send this video over to you guys. Have a wonderful day.